Lipovetskiy. I'm business owner and CEO of Alpha Advanced Dental Wellness Center. I have a new company only for 2 years, but I get a lot of success right now because I was trained with Boris Consulting, and they helped me to implement ORGBOARD to my company, which is organize my team, myself, and put us to a new level. So we have better statistics right now. We have better teamwork between our staff, and everybody knows where they are on our board and what their duties, what they're supposed to do, and most important, they know the final product. We spend a lot of time with the final product, why we need that, why we have to focus on that. So Natalia was my boss supervisor, and she was really tough with me, with my staff, but it get really good result. We reach our goal, and I said it wasn't easy, but in 5 months our statistics start to go really good up, and we start a new year. Compare with the last year months, which I wasn't trained that time. This month, even with absence for 12 days in my business because I was away, I make for 20 grand more than compared with last year, even with the shorter months. So it's helped me to focus and to work on a different level. I do financial planning, and everybody knows what to do and how to perform and what's our final product, what are the breaking point, and it's really helped to talk on the same language between our staff. Thank you.